Darren Boyd with Genesys Controls put together a little slideshow here. Give you an introduction to Genesys Control, a little bit about our company, and maybe how we can help you out. We are a UL control panel manufacturer. That's our job. We build control panels, but we back it up with our engineering team, and that we are full Rockwell systems integrators. The way Genesys Controls likes to operate is we like to operate as a partner. We want to assist our OEM clients with whatever your needs might be. So if you need just program, you need a schematic done, or you need a control system built to print, or you need us to design and build a control system, we can do all that. Whatever you need, that's what we're here to do. Our reputation is we build quality controls. Every panel that we build, we're very proud of, and our guys don't like putting anything that's not top quality into production. Our niche is working with larger controls, those with multiple enclosures, HMIs, PLCs, VFDs, larger control systems that we can actually put our expertise into it. But we also work in the hazardous environments arena. We are a 698A company. We do build hazardous location panels. So if you have that need, let us know. And then we do build smaller, more compact controls. Even those that don't have a UL sticker on them, we can actually do some pretty small things. Those with smaller controls, lower voltage. Even those without HMIs and PLCs, we do a lot of smaller controls as well. We want to build a really nice product. We want to build controls that are going to help you sell equipment, and in turn bring business back to us. We want to help you sell equipment, and that's the idea that we go behind every panel build. We work engineering first. Our engineers, even in the quoting process, our engineers are going to take a look at your schematic and your bill of material to make sure that everything is correct and meets the requirements for your application. We're trying to reach that goal of building controls with 0 defects in craftsmanship, and delivered functionally and on time. We point-to-point test every panel before it leaves, no matter how small or large it is. And we also, if we're able to, we do put power to it to make sure everything is working properly. The Genesys Controls facility is a nice facility, and we welcome our clients every day. It's a place that we built with the OEMs in mind, and we enjoy having our clients in. Clients come in for control panel inspection and testing. You can see by some of the photos below that people come in. The most common thing that our customers come in for is panel inspection, but we do have customers come in for training, sales, systems rollout. We've had meetings. Our customers bring in their equipment. We put controls to it. They brought in teams of people from all over the world to roll out a new piece of equipment. This is something we've done quite a bit, and if it's something you're interested in, inquire, let us know. And our clients are welcome in our facility, but if you don't want to come in, we have the ability to help you work remotely. We can put a camera in front of your panel and have you access, take a look. You can do your inspection remotely, or if you need to power it up, we have set up an operation through using an E1 Cozy, which is an industrial VPN router, where we would hook it to your panel. We have a platform set up where you would log in, load your software, and operate your system, possibly even do your factory test. We have state-of-the-art documentation process. This is something we're pretty proud of. We have an in-house secure domain server where we store all of this documentation. Every panel project gets between 30 and 150 photos of the panel. It's really seemed to be helpful for our OEM clients. Even 10 years down the road, you might have an application where, you know, a customer calls and says, hey, this circuit breaker isn't working properly. It may not be the circuit breaker that left our facility. Our documentation is going to have photos of every component that's in that facility, how it left our facility with the programs, the schematics with the red line, the bill of material, and the packing clip. So we have a really top-notch documentation hosting system. And anything that we do at Genesys Controls, that's your intellectual property. We're not going to play the game that oh, you know, we made changes to this. That's not your work. If we build controls for you, it belongs to you. We do have the UL certifications 508A, 698A. We do the Canadian CUL, and we also offer the CSA and CE certifications as well. We have a full paint and fabrication department. We can actually build enclosures if you need it, even including stainless steel. But more commonly, we pull an enclosure off the shelf and do the modifications. Our painting team are very good. They're good at painting, matching colors, and removing finishes. We also are very good at industrial piping and tubing, whether the application is hydraulic, pneumatic, chemical purveying. We can handle medium piping pressure up to 20,000 psi. Genesys Controls is a preferred Rockwell automation integrator and a Phoenix Contact automation partner. These relationships help us not only be experts with their products, but we get some pretty good pricing, preferred pricing from these people. So hopefully that would help us be more competitive in some of the arenas. We are a preferred client of both of these people. We're experienced in working in multiple software platforms, and we can work with most any component manufacturer. We're familiar with a lot, and we'll suggest some, but whatever your bill of material has, I'm sure that we can handle working with it just fine. We also have the ability to stage and receive your equipment. So if you have equipment, you can bring it in. We have the ability to offload it, move it into production, connect it to the controls. We can have it ready for you to come in to do your troubleshooting, your factory authorization test, or even sales. We also have the ability to wire up systems for functionality. So if you need to have it actually ready to try and run and put into production, we can have everything set up and dry fit, ready to go. On this particular project, we brought this in. This came in with European controls on it, had a Siemens application. We changed it over. We designed the Rockwell Allen Bradley platform. We designed it. We built the controls. We connected it to the controls to the piece of equipment. We factory authorization test and put it ready to go into production. We did this we came in and built this from soup to nuts, and we can do this for new or used equipment. If you need this, please let us know. As I said, we are full or limited service, so if you just need the programming or the full product done, that's what we're here to do. I'm Darren Boyd with Genesys Controls. Really like to have an opportunity to review your project, provide you a quote. We're here. I'm available from on the phone, on Skype, on Teams, WebEx, Zoom, email. All my contacts are below. Feel free. I'd be love to have a talk with you guys and take a look at your next project. Thank you.